Students, today we learned English workshop of the lesson Be Smart. Let's start. Margin question. Question 1. Why do some people find setting goals a challenge? Answer. Some people find setting goals challenging because they are afraid of failure. In the absence of any goals, they cannot decide what they really want to achieve in the end. Next question. How does quantifying goals help us? Answer. Quantifying goals provides specific way to track progress against goals. This makes it easy benchmark performance throughout the goal period, including areas to improve. Next question. Question 3. What factor is unreal while setting goals? Answer. While setting goals, building expertise takes time. So, expecting to become an expert in a short amount of time is unreal. Next question. To what are efforts towards success and why? Answer. Efforts towards success are compared to a walk in the dark because the future is uncertain. It is important to know that at least we are moving ahead in the right direction. We should put forth each step carefully to ensure that we don't fall down. English workshop. Question 1. Complete the following web with the words associated with the text and the given title. Components of success: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound, wishes, vision, and intention. Question number 2. Pick out examples from the text that support each of the following facts. A. Goals should be achievable. Answer. As students, we can't become a president, a prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. B. A time limit should be set. Achieve goals. Answer. To reduce weight, we know how to go about it, but without consistent time-bound action, it never becomes a reality. It may be exercise, diet, and stress-free thoughts. All these have to be practiced and implemented within a deadline. Next question. C. A specific field /area has to be fixed to achieve goals. Answer. If it is building a house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it stretch? D. Good results depend upon the quality and quantity of work put in. Answer. Life is something like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. E. A benchmark is needed to track progress. Answer. While playing football, one's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. Next question. Question number 3. Complete the following sentences. A. Smart goals are ... Answer. Smart goals are a methodology of thinking that helps people reach success. B. two valuable aspects of setting goals are dot dot. Answer: two valuable aspects of setting goals are a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path. Next question, question number 4. Read the quote. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Guess the meaning. Discuss in pairs and find similar quotes that bring in the same meaning. A. You reap as you sow. B. Input is equal to output. C. No pains, no gains. D. The longer you work, the more you get. E. Well begun is half done. If you like my video, please subscribe it.